If you're trying to archive order on Amazon in 2026, I've got some bad news for you. Amazon no longer allows you to archive orders. The archive feature is completely gone. You can't truly hide orders anymore either. Now, a lot of people use this feature to keep purchase private, like hiding gifts from the partner or anyone else sharing the same account. So unfortunately, that option just isn't available anymore. But don't worry, there is a still workaround. The only real way to hide or separate order history now is by using separate Amazon account. If you don't have Amazon Prime, this is pretty simple. Just create a second Amazon account and place order from there. You can still use the same address, the same payment method, and everything else. Your order history will stay completely separate. Now, if you do have the Amazon Prime and you are sharing it, here's the good news. Amazon offers something called Amazon Household. This feature lets two adults share a single Prime membership while keeping their accounts and order histories completely separate. So here's how it works. The person who owns the Prime membership keep their account as the main account holder. The second person create a free Amazon account and gets added through Amazon Household. So once linked, both accounts can share Prime benefits like fast shipping and payments, but the order history stays private. That means you cannot see their orders, they can't see yours. Even the main account holder cannot access the other person order history. That makes it perfect for buying gifts, surprise purchases, or anything you would rather keep private. For example, in a shared household setup, one person can order gifts like Christmas presents without the others ever seeing them. Even though Prime benefits and payment methods are shared, and that's really the key takeaway here. Since Amazon removed the ability to archive or hide orders, separate accounts are now the only option. If you don't use Prime, just use separate account. If you don't use a Prime, Amazon Household is the best option. So that is it for today's video. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.